What is transition? Well, let's break it down. You could say there's two dimensions to transition. On the one hand, there's the changes that you make happen. On the other hand, they're the changes that just happen to you, regardless of what you've done. And then another dimension is there are the good changes that you want and the bad changes that you don't want. So that sounds pretty simple. You make the good things happen. Bad things sometimes happen to you. How do you deal with all that? But sorry to say, it's more complicated than that, because these are not all independent variables. Sometimes things happen to you because of what you've done. Sometimes you make changes happen because of what's happened to you. Sometimes there's good to be learned from the things that you think are bad. And sometimes the things that you think are good for you are going to be good for you turn out to be your worst nightmare. And there's other ways of breaking it down.